Hi guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today we have a new job update for all the freshers and experienced graduate. The important part of this job update is that this job will be a permanent work from home job. It means you can start and you can continue your day-to-day work from your home location only. No need to visit any location. Also, this job is for the freshers graduate and any graduate can apply for this role. So, if you want to get all the details regarding the job, I am requesting you, please do not skip any part of this video. In this video, I will explain how you can apply for this job and how you can get the call from the HR team. So, please stay tuned with the video and check all the detailed parts so that you can prepare your resume, you can apply for this job and you can easily clear this work from home job. So now, without wasting any time, let's jump into the screen and let's discuss about the job. Hey guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today there is a new job update for all the freshers and experienced graduate. The role is operation executive and any graduate can apply for this role. Here, if you have at least 1 year of experience on operation executive domain, then you will get some preferences. But if you are a fresher and if you have done any internships, you can also apply for this opportunity. It will be a permanent work from home based job, and as it is an international company, you can get up to $700 per month. So let's discuss about the opportunity, and I will also provide you the link in the description area so that you can also apply for this opportunity after watching the video. The company name is Fresh Print, and here they have mentioned everything about the company and about the job role. So the job role is operation associate, and they have mentioned everything about the company. You can read this all. It will help you to clear the job in the HR round, and also you can provide your values, your thoughts on the company. That will be very good for you if you can tell about some insights about the company in the HR round. Below you can get everything. So here they have mentioned 3 points how the role will be an impact. So you can read these points, and here they have mentioned the responsibilities. So here they have provided some details, and they have also mentioned some sections. Okay, so first section is order team, second one is pre-order team, and third one is essential requirements. So first you have to read about the order team, and you have to resolve all the tickets, incidents which has been raised by the clients and stakeholders, and everything will be related to operations support. So you need to know about the operations things, and if you can read about the terms, you can get some idea about the role, and also you can mention these terms in the resume so that it will be shortlisted for this opportunity. After that, they have mentioned the requirements: 1 to 5 years of experience in operations or logistics. We are also open to freshers. So I have already mentioned that freshers are also eligible, but if you have at least 1 year of experience, you will get the preferences. Strong analytical and organizational skills, able to work on complex tasks, able to make decisions without direct supervision, fluent in English, excellent communication skill. This role requires someone who is comfortable working night shifts. So you have to work in night shifts as well, because it is an international firm, so the clients will be available at night time also. Location they have mentioned work from home, and it will be a permanent work from home job. Okay, so you can go for this job, no need to visit anywhere. You just need a stable internet connection and a system to continue your day-to-day responsibilities. Working hours they have mentioned 6:30 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time, Monday to Friday, and Saturday Sunday will be holiday for you. CTC they have mentioned for the first month you will get $400. Okay, and after that, after your provisional period, you can get up to $400 to $700 per month. You can convert this to Indian rupees as well, and it's for a fresher it will be a decent salary. You can start your career with this company, and also it's a work from home based role. So if you are doing any studies as well, or if you are doing any other job like part-time or internship in the morning time, you can go for that as well. Okay, So this is the application form. If you want to apply for this role, you have to provide all the details here, and you have to attach your resume along with the LinkedIn profile. And here they have asked some questions. You have to provide all the answers without using ChatGPT. Okay, so please don't use ChatGPT. Just provide your thoughts on these questions, because they will also check your written communication skill in this area. Okay, after that you can submit the application, and if your profile got shortlisted, the HR will call you or mail you for the interview purpose as soon as possible. So that's all about the job update. If you are interested for the job, please check the description area. You can find the application link. You can apply from there. And if you have any doubt or query, please feel free to ask me in the comment section so that I can resolve your doubt as soon as possible. Also, if you want to get regular job update, please subscribe the channel and stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.